Hola, Señora Vaz here with your instructions for today. First the attendance here, as usual, and your actividad inicial, it says included in the form. So we're working on a form today, and your actividad inicial is included on the form. So let's see. Your video is going to be here. Let's see the form. We're going to work on the videohistoria for this chapter 2B. Let's check that form. Okay. First thing you're gonna do for 5 points, you're gonna put your last name with the capital initial and your first name with the capital initial, because I'm giving you 5 points for that, so do it right, please. And this is your warm-up, your actividad inicial. And it's called Antes de ver el video, that's before watching the video that we're watching today. And it says, look around your work area. And the original one says, look around your classroom, but since some of you are not in a classroom, but you have a work area in your house. So you're going to look around in your work area, and you're going to find 5 items that you see. You're going to use the vocabulary learned in class only the words that we had learned in class. Then describe their location. You're going to use this document. So what I did was make a chart like this. You click here, it's going to take you to your document. When you get to your document, you're going to click here on File and make a copy. And then you name your copy. I think you should name it with your own name. And once you have your copy, you should be able to edit and write there what you need to write. Then you're going to click the share settings. You're going to change this so the permission is updated to Union County Public Schools, and you copy the link, click done, and you submit. Make a copy of the document, complete and submit the space below. It will count as your actividad inicial for today. You're going to paste it right here and click next. Oh, yes, your name. Okay, we move to the next section. In the next section, you have the video. The video should show. There you go. Here's the video. For some of you, this video doesn't show. It should work for everybody, but sometimes it doesn't work. So what I did was I put the link right here. So if it does not work on the form, then you can go back to the class plan and click there, and then it will play the video. There are some questions. This is what is new. We are going to answer these questions, and it's probably not going to give you your score. It's not going to give you your score because I had to look at the questions. So what we're going to do is answer the questions. You're going to answer your questions. I'm going to give you some time. You're going to answer the questions based on the video, what you see and what you listen to, you hear in the video. So let's say that we answered this already and go to the next section. This is your actividad 3. And this one, select the name of the character who said each phrase in the video. Now, this is the easy one. You look at the expressions or the sentences or the statements or the questions or the exclamations. So, you just look at what is there. And I gave you some characters that are shown in the video. So you are going to pick one character. Whoever says that, I'm doing it randomly. Whoever says that, you just select, and we move to the next section. So you look at the expression or the sentence, and you select the person that said it in the video. And then the last part, actividad 4. This is an open question again. So it says, imagine that Paquito is running around in your classroom. using the prepositions that you have just learned, indicate 4 places where he might be. And it says follow the examples below, but I don't know why it says that. I forgot to put the example. I'm going to put one example there. So, but what you have to do is, for example, say, Paquito está debajo de la silla. So you have several of the examples in the video. Let me put the example now. Okay, I put the example there. Paquito está debajo de la silla. So imagine that the little hamster is just running around and is under the chair. So you're trying to tell where he is. And that's what you had to do. That's all you had to do. But I need you to connect. Everybody's going to connect, even the students that I'm going to have here in the classroom. You have to connect because we are going to show our answers in the chat. And we're going to see which ones are correct. So we correct the form among us. Do not submit the form until we go over the answers and we see that they are correct. And we, like, I can tell you, yeah, that's correct, or you're missing this, or you need that. So we correct the answers and you have your answers right. So do not submit until we go over the answers. So we're going to try that today. And I'll see you during class. Adios.